Good afternoon to all. This is Nikita. I am studying first year MPCS from DTWRDC Devarakonda. Today I am choosing topic about the maximum and minimum values. The necessary condition. The necessary condition for a function f of x comma y to have maximum or minimum at a comma b is dou f by dou x equals to 0 and dou f by dou y equals to 0 when x equals to a and y equals to b. Sufficient condition for maximum and minimum. Let r equals to dou square f by dou x square and t equals to dou square f by dou y square and s equals to dou square f by dou x into dou y. Then if rt minus s square greater than 0, then r value less than 0, then the function f of x comma y has maximum value. If rt minus s square less than 0, then r value greater than 0, then the function f of x comma y has minimum value. If rt minus s square greater than 0 and also r value also greater than 0, then the function f of x comma y has neither maximum nor be a minimum. If rt minus s square equal to 0, then there is no conclusion and there is no solution. One example. Start up. Now see the one example for how to find the minimum value. Show that minimum value of u equals to xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y is 3a square. So for solution, given equation u equals to xy plus a cube x plus a cube y. Equation 1. Now differentiation with respect to equation 1 partially with respect to x. Dou u by dou x equals to y constant x derivative 1 plus a cube by 1 by x value and the derivation of 1 by x minus 1 by x square y term వచ్చి 0 plus a cube by 0. Dou u by dou x equals to y minus a cube by x square. Equation 2. Now differentiation with respect equation 1 partially with respect to y. X constant, y derivative 1, dou u by dou y equals to x minus a cube by y square. Now the necessary condition for maximum or minimum value is dou u by dou x equals to 0 and dou u by dou y equals to 0. Given question is show that minimum value of u equals to xy plus y cube by x plus a cube by y is 3a square. ఏమని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి? u equals to xy plus a cube by x plus a cube by y is 3a square. Then the question is prove that 3a square and 3a square. Given equation is u equals to xy plus a cube x plus a cube by y. Equation 1. Now differentiation 1 with respect to x. Dou u by dou x equals to x constant y constant, x derivative 1 plus a cube by 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square plus y derivative 0 constant 0. So dou u by dou x equals to y minus a cube by x square, equation 2. Now differentiation 1, equation 1 partially with respect to y. Dou u by dou y equals to x minus a cube by y square. Equation 3, the necessary, you know that the necessary condition for maximum or minimum value is dou u by dou x equals to 0 and dou u by dou y equals to 0. Now equation 2 and equation 3 equal to 0. Dou u by, the necessary condition, dou u by dou x equals to 0. మనకి x వాల్యూ ఏమొచ్చింది, dou u by dou x వాల్యూ ఏమొచ్చింది, y minus a cube by x square equals to 0. అంటే x square y minus a cube equals to 0. అంటే then x square y equals to a cube. Dou u by dou y equals to 0. X minus a cube by y square equals to 0. xy square equals to a cube. Now RHS are equal, so now take the LHS. X square y equals to x square y square. X square y square, xy square ni LHS పంపిస్తే x square y square equals to 0. Now common xy y, x minus y equals to 0. If x equals 0, y equals 0, and x minus x equals to y. Now substitute the x equals to y in equation equation 3. Now substitute the equation 3. x square into x equals to a cube. X cube equals to a cube. X equals to a. Then y and also y equals to a. Stop. X equals to 0, y equals to 0, x equals to a, y equals to a. Then sufficient condition for maximum or minimum r, let r equals to dou square u by dou x square. Now differentiation with respect to in equation 2. The derivation of y1 0 minus a cube constant term outside, so 1 by x square derivative minus 2 by x cube equals to 2a cube by x cube. 2 equals to dou square u by dou y square. Then differentiation with respect to equation 3, the derivative of x 0 minus y a cube constant, the derivation of 1 by y square is minus 2 by y cube equals to 2a cube by y cube. S equals to dou square u by dou x into dou y equals to dou by dou x of x minus a cube by x y square equals to 1 minus 1. Case 1, if now take 0, if r is now substitute the x comma y values in r in s and t. Now substitute the x comma y, x equals to 0 in r value. Then give the then r equals to 0, s equals to 1, t equals to 0, rt minus, then if rt minus s square condition to substitute the your given answers, rt minus s, r value 0, t value 0, minus x square 1 square equals to 1, x square and 1 square equals to 1, minus into minus is less than 0. U does not have a maximum or minimum at x equals to y equals to 0. Case 2, x equals to a and y equals to a. Now take the x comma y values a comma a. If now substitute the values in r, t and s. R equals to 2a cube by a cube, a cancel equals to 2. T equals to 2a cube by y cube by 2a cube by a cube by a cube cancel equals to 2. S equals to 1. Rt minus, then the sufficient condition, rt minus x square equals to what will be r, 2 into t value 2 into 2 minus s square 1 square equals to 2 into 2 4 minus 1 equals to 3 greater than 0, and r equals to 2 greater than 0, rt minus s square, therefore rt minus s square greater than 0 and r greater than 0. So u has a maximum value at x equals to a and y equals to a in equation 1. From equation 1, u equals to x comma x into y plus a cube by x plus a cube by y equals to, substitute x comma y in place a comma a into a plus a cube by x a plus a cube by a cube cancel, a cube cancel, square under a square plus a square plus a square, 3s equals to 3a square. 3a square is the maximum value at u a comma a. Thank you for giving wonderful opportunity for me. Thank you.